Hi, I'm Chef David. I'm part of the Rosebud restaurant group. Today, I'm gonna announce something really cool. We have restaurant weeks coming. I started this month, on the 19th until February 4th. So I invite all of you guys to come and check on us. We have such amazing, beautiful dish I want to use today. Let's go and cook it. The dish we have for lunch, only for lunch. It's a risotto peperonata. It's a risotto with vegetables. We have mushroom, roasted pepper, and spinach. We finish with cream parmesan, a little bit touch of butter. For the risotto, we need a hot oil. We start with put some mushroom. A little bit of spinach. And we finish with a little bit of peppers. Salt. And black pepper. We had a couple scoops of veggie broth, and then we finish the cook. We have the rice kind of absorb all the stuff, and then we'll finish with shrimp parmesan and a piece of butter, right? Turn the flame off. Nice piece of butter. And a generous Parmesan cheese. Beautiful, nice and creamy. This you will find on the menu only for January 19th until February 4th. Please come and check it out. The next dish we're going to prepare is salmon. Salmon is an amazing fish you will find on this menu too. We all gotta make like picada side. Picada side is lemon, pepper, white wine, a little bit of veggie stuff. Okay, let's go. Let's season the salmon a little bit. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Spoon. A little bit of more salt, a little bit of black pepper. Really hot pan. Put it back on the flame. When the salmon is nice and seared, you can see it. We finish in the oven, okay? After 10 minutes, the salmon is almost done. Let's remove it. We fry just a little bit of garlic, butter, put down a little bit of wine. Squeeze a lemon. A little bit of capers. Touch of parsley. We let it reduce a little bit. We are going to make a little bit of sauté spinach. We'll go underneath the salmon. Olive oil, a little bit of garlic, a little piece of butter. A little bit of spinach. Put it on flame. This is gonna be really quickly. Spinach takes 2 seconds to cook. Pinch of salt, a little bit of black pepper, right, let's plate it. Put our spinach aside. roll salmon close to them. A bit gently put our sauce on top of salmon. We finish a little bit of parsley. Okay. You can miss the rest of the week downtown. Look what a beautiful dish we have for you. Come and check us out.